Hello, 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 everybody. Brian here. Yeah, that's right. Okay, let me make sure I get my screen share here. Last time it wasn't shared properly. As I keep saying, there's too many moving parts here. Okay. Yeah. All right. So okay. So hopefully, yeah. All right. So we are here. Great. I've done this in a while. Okay, with the start of the video, the title is Australia and UK safer to invest long term. When I show you these charts, you probably think yes is the answer. Okay, so let me get where we're at with the markets right now. Okay, here's Yahoo, and currently everything is either up slightly with the NASDAQ leading the way. The Russell's also up there quite a bit too. Crude oil up 0.5%, gold down, euro down, bonds down, deep too. Mixed on the USD, you can see here how bad Bitcoin is. And there's the other one. And Nikkei's down, but good. FTSE's up, the UK. So let me show you the charts. All right, so why do I say this? Australia USD, long, three of them right out of the gate. Australia's been leading the way for a while. Same with Australia and Canada as well. Germany, the UK, German bonds are good. We have a long here on the UK 100. Funny enough, that's what I'm thinking is better to be in both those countries, UK and Australia. British pound is weak. I didn't say anything about the British pound. And then we get into the yen, USD yen, got three shorts there. And I also mentioned that maybe the Swiss franc's going up, and it's now down. And this is why I don't like Forex, because of all these unpredictable moves. Gold and Swiss franc is down, so it's weakened. Silver and everything except for silver and Singapore's up. Again, more longs here, Australia, Canada. Three of those. Four, yeah, four. And then you get Australia, Hong Kong, long. So that's why I'm thinking, this is why Australia is starting to prove itself. You got some longs there. More longs with Australia USD. So Australia is definitely a place to be. They talk about China. 50, it did move nice back in May 25th, starting to drift back. You'd think that this, by the looks of these kind of moves, is kind of artificial, right? Decline, that's a China 50. I just said Euro Canadian dead, Euro CHF has some longs. These are safe haven calls, I would think. Euro pound's got a long, Euro Hong Kong. So let's see, European, Japanese yen, short there. I've talked about Euro USD, it's in range bound, forget that, that's no longer. As I said with Germany, I don't know, just don't like anything coming out of Euro anymore. There's no performance, it's been really range bound. There's definitely a holding pattern here, got more British, Singapore shorts there, UK 10-year bond long. There's a second one there, UK 100, another long. So that's a round of two that were like that. Pound against the Australian dollars are short. Another short on the USD CHF. So back to Britain, it looks like the bonds are good. The stock is looking okay, except the pound itself. Hong Kong, USD Hong Kong, I just don't trust it. USD Japanese yen, shorts there. Australia, Canada, long. Again, more Germany. 2-3 shorts on the Deutsche 30 on the stock there. The stocks overall are not looking good with the NASDAQ showing two shorts. France, same thing. Pound against the US dollar has a slight long, but it's classically range bound. If you want to know how to mean revert with a strategy with that, you're doing pretty good. Got short there. Pound against the Canadian, it's got a slight long. Pound against the Swiss franc short. Here's some more longs they're calling for. It's the USD Canada. That's an oil trade right there. USD Japanese yen has a short, which shouldn't be. Okay, now gold in Canada, 2 shorts. Same with gold in Swiss franc. Here's an interesting one. Gold in pound. British pound's got a slight long. Shorts here with gold in Hong Kong Japanese yen shorting. Another long here with New Zealand Singapore short. Now this is the important one I mentioned. Got a slight long there on the gold silver. So there is definitely downward pressure when you start to see this gold silver ratio along there with the euro gold, silver and euro. Pretty good shorts there with silver and pound. Longs and a short. Okay, I'm going to move on from there. Okay, France again, another short. That's a French 40, another short. Euro 50 short. So the equity markets are not going to give you any form of performance. They're just going nowhere. Euro and pound. So we're in a very good score here. And yeah, it's just not looking pretty. Here's our one I used to watch. That's in a pretty bad shape. That euro in Norway. 2 shorts there. We got a long euro Sweden, but I don't really pay a lot of attention to it. 2 shorts there on the euro USD. More longs. 1, 2. A short. 3 out of 4 German 10-year bond with a long. And we got shorts here on 3 German 30 shorts. Not good. Japan 225 shorts there. So those stock markets are not looking good at all. Singapore 30's got a long, but don't count on it. More 10-year bond for the UK longs there. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3 out of 4 are long. 2 shorts for the NASDAQ. Oh boy. Okay. 1 mixed, 1 out of 2 for long with the 30-year US Treasury. Not good. INR, USD INR is got a slight long there. A lot of these Eastern European countries are coming back, namely Hungary and Poland. Slight longs there with USD Thailand, or 2 out of 3 short, 2 out of 3 longs for Thailand, USD Thailand. Here, here we have some. Okay, so we have a short on the 2-year, long on the that's 2-year bond for the US, 5-year slight long, and then a 10-year slight long there too. 1, 2, 3. So we got 3 longs in the USD Canada. Boom. Let's see what else we got here. A short, another short on the USD Japanese yen. A short again, or a short on the Australian USD. That's the first one I've seen. 2 longs there on the Australian Japanese yen. So 3 out of 3. Short there on the Canadian Japanese yen. Short and long on a Canadian CHF. Okay, we're moving to the goods. Those are no good. So moving back into the commodity belt regarding inflation, I personally think that inflation is cooling off. I said that for a while now. It's still in the play there. When you look at copper, copper is definitely cooled off. Natural gas really isn't much of a concern. Wheat in terms of commodity, agriculture, food, there's very little worry on the inflation there with corn. Same with corn, wheat, WTI oil, it's still moving on up. So that might be the only area where there might be some inflation. And platinum, kind of going nowhere as well. Let me just see the BCO. So as it stands right now, I think Australia and maybe some UK bond might give you some leverage there. And again, you see the BCO, Brent crude. So that's all I can tell you. Other than that, what more can I tell you? Thanks for watching. Have a good day.